Hey guys, Gary here. It's like 20 to 11 at night for me, but the team have just shown me another thing that they've built. You saw last week, last 2 weeks, like that's the amount of stuff we've rolled out. We've got iMessage calling, we've got all those missed call text back triggers working in there. The team have been working on voice calling for Android devices. They've got the first step of that working out, and I just wanted to make a quick video because I was so excited they showed me today, and I was like, oh my God. So what we've got is calling. So we've got outbound calling working. We're just working on the voice part of it at the moment, so we can actually transmit sound. But where this is still perfect for is what we always teach is for database reactivations. If you do a call and a dropped call before you send your message, then they see a missed call from you, and then they see a message come through, and it's like a person's actually followed up to them. So I'm going to show you quickly how this works, and I've just done a really quick demo because it is late at night and I want to get this done and posted. So in here, got a very quick workflow. So we're just doing when the contact is updated. So I'm just going to add this call tag. We're going to ring for 10 seconds. Like we can change the duration. So I'm just going to say 10 seconds, probably a bit long, but for this purpose of this demo, we're going to wait for 12 seconds. So basically it's going to ring for 10 seconds. This will wait for 12 seconds. So basically it means 2 seconds after this is finished ringing, then we are going to send this text message out. That's it. Very basic workflow for this. You can get creative. We'll do more training on these things later. But this is the scenario. Like you're just making a quick call and then you're sending a text message out afterwards. You're starting your database reactivation that way. This is like killer. We've done this for loads of DVRs. It makes such a difference. So if I come back over here, now I'm just going to get rid of that tag. And let's put that tag on here. I'm just going to grab the devices here because I have them next to me. So if I hit call, let me get these ready. I'm just going to show you because I haven't got screen share, but let's add that. Let's add that tag back on. Why are you not grabbing it for me? I think this is in the way. Let me get my head. There we go. There we go. Hit save. All right. Now that's the Android device ringing, and that is now calling my iPhone. Look at that. Ringing. That's going to drop the call in a second. We'll just let that ring out. There you go. Call's dropped. Call's registered here. And then send out a message. Hey, Gary, Gary here. Sorry, tried to call you. Couldn't get hold of you. Are you still interested in myCRMSIM? Amazing. Guys, the stuff that is coming out, we're going to make this the most powerful SMS marketing database reactivation platform that there is. The team are doing an incredible job. So that is our stage one for Android calling working. We've got that working, got the connection, working on the voice connection now so that you will actually be able to do physical calls through Android devices as well. So hats off to the team. If you love that, just give us a comment below. Like, can you see the advantages to this if you've got your team somewhere else and they're doing the text messaging and then they want to do calls or follow up or whatever it might be? Even these little automations on here will make these better and better as well. So hats off to the team. I was super excited. Have a good night. I'm posting this and then I am going to sleep. Night, guys.